How to install the VanUp Shock Bracket kit for the 2500 Sprinter. Just a quick disclaimer, please make sure to watch the entirety of this video before installing this product. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call or email us at sales@vanupoffroad.com. If you do get to a point where this installation might just be a little bit too much, feel free to check out one of our installation centers in Davis, California or Mesa, Arizona. Included in this kit will be 2 shock brackets, hardware kit, and 2 VanUp plates. Here's a quick list of tools you'll need for this installation. Jack the vehicle up, remove the rear wheels and tires, and remove factory rear shocks. Next, we're going to grab half of the hardware and 1 shock bracket. We're going to slide our washers onto the 3/4 bolts. Hold the shock bracket up to the frame, aligning the holes in the shock bracket to the holes in the frame. If the bracket does not sit flush against the frame, you're going to have to grind down and remove some of that gunk that's on the frame itself. Next, we're going to slide the smaller metal insert through the hole towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide your 3/4 bolt with the washers through the metal insert and the frame. On the back side of that bolt, place your big washer, your small washer, and your nut. Slide the larger metal insert through the hole towards the front of the bracket. Slide your 3/4 bolt with the washers through the metal insert and the frame. On the back side of that bolt, place your big washer, your small washer, and your nut. Next, we're going to tighten down the front and rear bolts, but we're going to make sure we don't over tighten them. Depending on the shock you're using, you may or may not need the provided spacer. With king shocks, they are not needed. Now we can place the shock into the bracket and slide the top shock bolt through. Torque it down to 115 foot-pounds. Next, we're going to place the shock bolt locking tab over the top shock bolt head. Use the 7/16 nut and bolt to secure the locking tab onto the bracket. Now we're going to adjust the bottom of the shock into the mounting location and use the stock 21mm bolts to secure it into place. Use the two 3/16 bolts provided to attach the vanity plate onto the shock bracket. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the vehicle. If you like the content you're seeing, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all while installing this kit, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always happy to help.